Oh, he's got a hat on.
Look at that hat.
Oh.
Hat for him? Okay.
2 hats.
Hat for this
Third
guy.
hat. How cool is that?
And how about a hat for him? Whoops, shake, shake, shake.
Shake, shake, shake.
Whoa.
Woohoo.
Look at that hat.
My goodness, you've got 4 hats there.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
There's another guy. You want him to have a hat? Okay. Do you want to hold him while I give him the hat? Okay, you hold him and I'll give him his hat. Whoa. Awesome. He's got a finishing touch.
Excellent, Data.
Nice hat.
Bravo. Everybody's got a hat on. Bravo. Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
hand me the face cloth that's in this little, if you can get to it, in this plastic bag?
You like these face